Hi, this is Miss Gatto. I wanted to share with you again how to access some of our websites that we use in class. So the first thing that I would do is go to the Winston-Salem Forsyth County homepage. I'm going to just click on there. This is the Walkertown page. I just like to go to the Forsyth County. You're going to click on students. And then just like we did with the NC Ed Cloud, you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to see this letter C. It stands for Clever. You'll just click on Clever and then it's going to ask you for another badge. So you're going to click here, Clever Login Badge. And I'm also going to send you the picture of this badge and you'll just hold it up to your computer and it will come up. You are going to click on the cube that says I ready. You'll click right there. And then it's going to bring you up to the assessment that I will need your child to complete. We're only completing the reading. So I'm going to ask you to please not do the math right now. We will do the math in a different week. This week we are working on reading. This is only for students who are at home quarantined. If your child was in school today, they have already finished their assessment. So you will not need to go on to complete this. I am only sending this video in case your child becomes, for some reason, quarantined or homesick. So your child will click here for reading. You will click on Start Diagnostic. It's going to ask you, are you working from the classroom or from home? You will choose from home. And then when you are done, you just X off and you are logged out. And I will send you your Clever badge. I'm only sending the badges to those students who are currently quarantined. If your child does become quarantined, I will also send you your child's login badge for NC Ed Cloud and for Clever.